Hey, we all know that washing our face every day is a good idea, and most of us may already know the benefits of using a cleanser. But what's the deal with oil cleansers? If the whole point is to get rid of the grease in our face, why would we want to add more oil? And the real question is, will an oil cleanser clog our pores? So today we're going to discuss oil cleansers, plus which skin type oil cleansers are best suited for, how to use them, and how to incorporate them into your skincare routine for a healthier, happier, and more radiant skin. Hi, I'm Elaine Martins from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so just a quick recap on the topic of cleansing. Your skin goes through a lot during the day, so your gorgeous face will encounter things like dirt, sweat, oil, and if you wear makeup, it's critical to remove it at the end of the day. We all know that going to sleep in our makeup, it's a big beauty no. But we will have to admit that after a long day or a night out, it can be hard to go home and face a whole, 7 or 10 step skincare routine situation. Well, cleansing deals with all of that because it removes the excess debris from your face, leaving it clear, hydrated, and soft. And that's enough if all you want to do is crawl into your bed. No judgment here. Cleansers come in many different forms like gels, creams, solid bars, or foaming cleansers. And these traditional cleansing products contain wetting agents or surfactants. And that is what will help dislodge the debris before being rinsed off. But what makes oil cleansers different is that instead of surfactants being the star attraction, is the oils that have their moment to shine. They work in a different way to those water-soluble cleansers. As you may have guessed from the name, oil cleansers are oil-based. They are a type of face wash that are usually formulated with lightweight plant oils. When mixed with water, they will emulsify into a lather. And so they are super effective at cleansing and getting rid of your skin dirt and debris without really stripping your skin natural oils or leaving a greasy, heavy feeling. And because they increase your skin's moisture levels, they are extremely hydrating to boot. Cleansing oils are a great multitasking product. They provide a quick and easy solution to remove anything you need to get off your skin, before you're going to sleep. And if you want to double cleanse, they are compatible with any type of cleanser. But why are oils so effective at cleansing your skin? If you've heard of solvents, you might know that they are ingredients that can dissolve substances that have a similar structure. Well, when it comes to oils, they are what's called lipophilic, which basically means by their very nature, they are attracted to other oils. And of course, this includes our own natural oils, that your skin produces sebum, and we also have oils in makeup and other cosmetics. So with an oil cleanser, what we essentially get is a powerful cleansing agent and a gentle skin softener at the same time. The best type of oil cleansers are the ones that are made with non-fragrant plant oils. These plant oils contain a ton of glycerides, which are the ones responsible for that multitasking action I was talking about, right? Like the cleansing and the hydration action at the same time. I will say that fragrances are problematic as they can irritate your skin, and this includes essential oil fragrances. But apart of that, oil cleansers can work for all skin types on the basis that they are formulated with, to be easily rinsed off with water without really leaving any oil residue. So, unless you have a very sensitive skin and you are allergic to fragrances, so look for options that do not have essential oils or fragrances. But apart from that, you should be okay. And no, let me tell you, despite being oil-based, these cleansers are non-comedogenic, so they will not clog your pores. And this also makes them ideal for people with oily skin types. As well, if you have redness, blemishes, or acne-prone skin, well, because they are very gentle, they are a great choice for dry, sensitive, and even oily skin. Now, let me tell you this, there is oily and oily skin. You know this, I've been saying this like forever. So a word of warning, if you have very oily skin or acne prone, I will say that you need to be careful with cleansing oils that are made up with a single oil or a blend without surfactants or emulsifiers. This is due to the fact that they can actually add to the oiliness of your skin. So, just a word of caution. Hey, but stay tuned, because if you have acne prone or oily or even combination skin, I will tell you how to use oil cleansers in a bit. Considering what products to try is important, as cleansing should be a key element to your skincare routine, no matter your skin type. This might mean for you that you will have to experiment with a few, with different types of oil cleansers to really get a feel for what you personally like. So here are some factors for you to consider. So first, the sleep test. Some oils take a bit longer to get moving before you can spread them, through your face. You may want an oil cleanser that gets, to work as soon as it touches your face. Once you are massaging the product in, does the oil dry up within a minute? I would say that a good oil should be able to spread around, for a good 2 minutes before it dries. 2. How well does the oil emulsify? A good product will turn, milky and lather up as soon as it comes in contact with water. And it should easily rinse off, leaving your skin, feeling soft, not like an oil slick. Speaking of which, does it leave behind residue? Some oil cleansers do, others don't, and this depends on your personal preferences. If there is a slight residue, as in, you can tell you've just used the product, that's totally fine. But it shouldn't feel, like your skin shouldn't feel like shiny or feel thick, right? Like, honestly, if it does, you have not got yourself a real cleansing oil. Lastly, and this is another personal preference, but consider the texture. This can really make or break an oil cleanser. And this is because they come in light, medium, and heavy viscosities. And what you prefer, is really up to you, right? Like, this is subjective. But let me tell you this, if you have acne-prone skin or even combination skin, a thick texture, something that leaves residue on your skin is not a good idea. We can shine all day on our own. Listen, whether it's an oil-based face wash, a balm, a gel, or jelly, what you choose at the end of the day is up to you, and some come in jars, some come in tubes, some come in, squeezy tubes. The options are really endless. Now, let me tell you this, if you don't know where to start looking for, you can try LME's award-winning superfood facial oil. It's light, it's not greasy, and it's formulated with a blend of 9 superfood oils. It has broccoli oil, rose hip, flaxseed, daikon radish to nourish your skin. With this oil, you are sure your skin is eating its greens. Also, this oil from LMA's is very easily absorbed into your skin. It's a highly concentrated oil, and that will plump and smooth your skin. So if you want to minimize, if you have a dull look on your skin, if what you're looking for is for, a glow on your skin, this is what you need. Okay, now, it's best to oil cleanse just once a day. Less frequently if you prefer, and I would say do it as a part of your nighttime routine. If you have very dry skin, maybe you can do it more often, maybe twice a day, but that's depend on your skin. You know you do you. How to? Well, this is very simple. You just have to put teaspoons, a couple of teaspoons or pumps, depending on the product on your hand. Then you will apply the oil on your dry face. Some of them you need to, to wet your face. You're going to massage the oil with your fingertips. You wait for a couple of seconds to a minute, then you will remove it with a wipe, or you can use warm water. You will, rinse it off, and then you dry your skin, and then you can follow with, whatever you're using. You can follow with your nighttime skincare routine. It could be a serum or a moisturizer. You know your skin, and you know what you like and what you need, right? And of course, you can also double cleanse, where you follow the oil cleanser with a water-based cleanser to remove any leftover or residue. By the way, this can be a good method for you to try if you have acne-prone, combo, or oily skin, right? Because if you double cleanse, you will not have the excess oil that may clog your pores. So again, if you have oily or acne-prone skin and you've been hesitating about trying an oil cleanser, this method will be the way to go for you. Now, let me tell you, however you decide to oil cleanse your face, make sure that you do a patch test first. For some people, oil cleansing may cause irritation, and some people say that can clog their pores and trigger an allergic reaction. This is due to some essential oils. I'm not saying that that's going to happen, right? But when using oils, it can take a while for you to start seeing side effects. So it's good for you to, bear that in mind. By the way, some studies suggest that it may take a few weeks for your skin to adjust. In that time, you might experience what is known as a purge. In other words, you may experience breakouts. This will not happen to everybody, and the only way to know if that's going to happen to you is give it a try, and then you will see. Just be aware that may happen. Either way, oil cleansers can be a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. By the way, skin acids are another option if you want to level up your game. So if you don't know what to choose, if you are not very familiar with skin acids and which are better for your unique skin type, go to my website, beautybycode.com. You can take the quiz, and you are going to learn which acid is best suited for your skin type, and you are going to learn a lot of things about acids. Okay, now let me know in the comments below if you are happy with your oil cleanser, if you are hesitating, and how you are using it in your skin type. Listen, that's all for today. Thank you for spending time with me. Now, be gorgeous and go and do something fantastic. Bye for now.